Oh. Hey. Okay, guys. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, right. Hold on, why don't I see any chat? Okay. How do I pop out the chat now? How do I pop out chat? Wait a second. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. So bad, guys. So bad. Okay, no, seriously, where is my chat? Chat. Okay, is it any I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't see chat working. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, yeah. Is anyone can somebody say something in chat so I know that chat's working on Restream? Back to bed you go. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. It worked. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. Hooray. Okay, guys. Okay. I just realized I can't pin. Now. Can I? Okay, guys. Okay, so we are going to do this thing. This question. Okay, so there we go. And then we're also going to put it here. Going to pin message. There we go. Okay. Awesome. Okay, guys. Okay. Now we are going to take this off and we are going to share my phone. Oh my gosh. Okay. It shows you guys my search. Okay, just gotta be aware of that. Reset canvas. Wow, it is lagging. And now you guys can't even see. Oh, you can. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, so chat rate. It says people chatted, but how come I can't see anyone chatting? Okay. Okay, guys. I don't. Hi, ASX. How are you? Welcome in, welcome in. Okay, okay. This is hard, guys. This is hard. Okie dokie. There we go. Stream settings. Why are you on? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Okay, so let's look at the problem. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. This is the wow, it is lagging. This is the what do you call it? Because I know so well. My hair is normally down. My hair is actually naturally wavy. But usually I'll brush it out so that it ends up poofy. So my hair is actually naturally wavy and it's getting more and more curly. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, my hair is getting more and more curly. But we are going to work on this. Okay. Okay, so given a string, what just happened to my chat? Okay, given a string S, find the length of the longest substring. Oh, I just realized what is the name of update titles? Oh, LeetCode and Subarrays / strings short stream tonight. Backseat plant. They all. Okay. Okay, guys. I don't know what I'm doing, but I do, sort of. Not really. How is everyone tonight, by the way? How is everyone? Okay. Longest substring without repeating characters. Hi, Pure Sizzle. Going okay. I actually have a coding assessment to do this week, so I'm just gonna kind of brush up on this, do a quick problem, log off, get some sleep. I might study tomorrow, or I might just jump into the coding assessment. I haven't decided yet, guys. I haven't decided. It's for if I'm going to be given an interview. So it's for if I'm going to be given an interview. Okay, so without duplicate characters. Okay. So let's talk about this. We want the longest substring without duplicate characters. Congratulations, Pure Sizzles. Wait, I thought you were already a software engineer. No, it's not an interview. Yeah, I'm just doing a coding assessment. It's on one of the assessment, like what is it? Code Signal, and then there's a couple of other ones, but it's, oh, Josh, I know what might be different. I didn't wash off my makeup today. You just know things. Oh my gosh, I thought you were a software engineer this whole time. So are you transitioning into tech or yeah. Wow. I know this like Vidal. I feel like I know what brand you're talking about, but I don't know. Okay. Okay, guys. So, I think, okay, let me work through this, guys. Let me work through this. Also, let me make sure, where is my focus? Okay, got my focus button. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, Pure Sizzle. I seriously thought you were already working as a software engineer. I'm so sorry. I don't know how I got that so confused, but congratulations. I'm so excited for you. Oh my goodness, that's huge. Huge. Especially right now, because I'm actually really surprised I got the coding assessment. But I'm happy and I'm hoping I can kick pushy. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna just close this so that's not running in the background. I'm also gonna close this so hopefully this helps speed it up. Thanks, Pure Sizzle. Oh my goodness. The King Troop, thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate it. Just kidding. I still do need my chat window. Just kidding. Let me reopen that. Let me reopen that. I still do need that chat window. I can't respond to chat. Okay. Okay, so how does this work? Okay. So, okay. Got it. So, shout out at who just rated me? The King Troop. Okay, did that work? Oh my gosh, it worked. It worked. Thanks so much for the raid. How was your stream today? How was your stream today? The thing that stinks though is I can't see if somebody is a new chatter in this. Thug. Okay, awesome. Got it. It works. I think I'm figuring this out. Okay. Anyways, guys, let me figure this out. Okay, so we have A, like how that is. Okay, so A, and then we're going to do 1. We have a count of 1, right? No, because order matters. Order matters. So that would be... So if we start at A and then we go to B, oh yeah. I completely plan to do some practice problems. I don't remember if... Wait, they're using WordPress? Isn't that... Isn't that kind of like Wix? Like build your own... Maybe? I don't know. Oh wow, Android dev. How did you get into that? And are you working as a software engineer for Android games right now. So the thing is, I already did the test question for my last coding assessment a couple of months ago, and when I checked on Friday, it was still the same one. I'm going to redo it again. The reason why I'm not streaming it is because it has my personal information on it, and I would really like to not, one, jinx myself on what company I'm doing the assessment for, and two, I'd really like to not dox myself as well. Oh, okay. Interesting. Did not know that. You my reptile zoo now? Okay. That sounds like a lot of work. Did you guys hear about in Denmark, they're asking for people to um, oh my gosh, to donate their unwanted pets to the zoo? Did you guys read that? Thanks, love. Thanks. Okay. I'm gonna actually hit a focus mode because obviously I'm not focusing right now. In comp sci, have had many rows in full stack. Oh wow. Okay, so you have a background in tech. Okay, so I'm trying to break in right now. Yeah, I'm trying to break in right now. Oh, that's gonna get annoying. Streamlabs is gonna... I'm sorry, guys. You guys are gonna see the same message twice in chat. Okay, but I'm gonna hit a focus mode. I will be back. So I'm thinking we're going to do the 2 pointers idea. So we're gonna have the left and the right? And then if we go left is gonna be 0. Okay, and then right will move down. Okay, so so we're going to... I'm trying to figure out how to draw this out. Okay, so we have A. We're gonna have both left and right. So left and right starts there, right? Okay, so B, C, A, B, C, B, B. Okay, so we're going to move we're gonna check. Okay, A. So max, we're going to keep track. Max equals 1 first. So then we move the right pointer over. So now max will equal 2. Okay, then we move the right pointer over again. So now max will equal 3. Okay, and then we're going to move the right pointer over again. So now that's A. It's already counted in it. And we're going to... So let's actually do a dictionary. So we're gonna do A, B, C. So 1, 1, 1. So A is in here, right? So then we're going to remove the... Sorry. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Thinking. Okay, so we're at max is 3 right now. We're right here. Okay, so A means that, okay, so we need to now move the left pointer over. So left pointer has moved over. We're going to move left pointer over. So we have, and we're going to restart the dictionary. I don't know. That doesn't seem, intuitively, that doesn't seem right. But you know what? That's fine. That's fine. We're gonna do this, okay? Just to see. So we start at B. We have 1. How does that work though? Okay, hold on. I know, I just checked chat really quick. So bad. Okay, so how does this... Okay, how would we do this? So we have found... Okay, so we found the first... We found the first repeat, right? If we found the first repeat, we need to remove that first letter. So that would be where we would move from left. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. So we would move from left to right. So now this should give us B, C. But how do we know that this is the repeating letter? So like this could be A. So let's say this was C. How do we know? Okay, I know that I know this because I know this because I did something similar to this problem. Okay, hold on guys. I'm gonna... Alright, power of 2s. Determine the winner. Valid parentheses, remove nth node. I feel like it was in missing number. Okay, hold on guys. Focus. Hello, Danny. I almost blocked that message because I just saw code. Hi, Time. How are you? It should be pinned up on top of the chat. I do not know Kotlin or Java. How are you, Time? Thanks so much for the follow, Asimov Mage. Asimov Mage. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Okay, guys. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Guys. Okay. What was this? Which one was this one? No. Okay, that wasn't it. I'm almost there. Well, I get that. I get that, Santa. But, at the same time, no, I'm not. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you got sleep. I'm so glad you got sleep. Okay. So I know what I want to do, guys. So here's the thing. I know what I want to do. It's how I'm going to achieve what I want to happen. So I know that I'm close, but it's again, yeah, I know that I'm close, but I'm also at the same time like, I want to go to sleep, guys. It's already 10:30. Oh my gosh, wait, when did I start streaming? When did I start streaming? How long have I been streaming now? Since I've started my stream an hour late, guys. I started an hour late, guys. An hour. An hour. Oh, God. Okay. I would make... Well, I don't know if you've seen, I haven't been streaming and I've still been programming, coding, practicing, working, and I've been meeting with Turing, and yeah, like I do need to set up another meeting with him soon though. Hopefully our schedules can align. So, but I also have a lot of stuff that I'm supposed to go over as well. But yes, I agree. Streaming does definitely take some progress away. However, I think it also keeps me somewhat accountable, because if I'm not progressing, you guys will see that. Okay. Okay, so we're at 3. So now... So we would remove... Okay. No. I'm thinking about Chili's code. And thanks so much for the follow, Hager. I appreciate it. Okay. So I'm thinking about Chili's code, and I'm thinking about how he was removing from the dictionary. So obviously that's not what I want to do right now. So, okay. So right now I have the string A, B, C. Okay, and then once we get here, we don't want to add it, and then we're going to move the left pointer. So we actually want to remove the first letter of the string. Slicing doesn't seem right, but thanks so much for the follow. Where's my mind? I appreciate it. I need some ABC gum. Didn't they used to have an ABC gum? Yeah, didn't they used to have an ABC gum? I'm pretty sure they did. I'm pretty sure they did. Oh, already been chewed? No, I don't think it was that. Also, do you guys remember you guys remember that what do you call it? Oh my gosh. The zebra gum. The zebra gum. Okay. Okay, so what just happened? What just happened? Also, guys, I feel like streaming landscape on YouTube is not good for the algorithm. It doesn't matter. I know it doesn't matter, but just say it. Okay, so we have ABC, and then what if... Okay, so then we would remove the first letter and we would add the next letter, right? So that's still max 3. So we move on to the next one. If B is in here, okay, so let's do this. So B is in this right now, so we want to remove the first. We want to see, okay, so okay, so actually we're going to assign, no, yes, we're going to assign first. So if we have first, we would, it equals A, right? Then it becomes B. Okay, so if B and B are equal, then we would just move the left pointer over. Okay, so now C, so now this becomes C, okay, and then we're going to move this over. Okay, so again, that matches. So that is already in here, and then we're gonna check if this does not equal. Okay, this is where I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, so we are at C right now. So then this is going to become, so this is gonna become, oh my God. This is going to become A now. Okay, and then we're going to move this over to B. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna figure this logic out, because all of this makes sense. So now B, we want to keep moving the pointer, the left pointer. So A, okay, and then we would remove it. Oh, okay. So we would remove it from the left pointer. So we add with right and we remove with left. Okay, and then since B, so since the first does not equal A, we're gonna move over. Okay, and now first is B. Okay, so B, C. Oh, wait, hold on. So now since first is B, C, we would add one. No, so B is still at 2. So while, okay, so while this value is at 2, we keep moving the left pointer over on and removing whatever value it is. Okay. I think I got it. Hey, Pierce Sizzle, how am I gonna write the pseudocode if I don't know what my code needs to do? How do I write pseudocode for code I don't even know what I want it to do? Hi, Ice. No, we do not. Wait, maybe. The way I am approaching it is I'm going to... I think there's a good chance I don't need to use a dictionary. However, the way I am going to approach it, I do want to use a dictionary for now. Okay, so I am going to start with 2 pointers. Left will subtract and right will add. Okay, so then we are going to have while right pointer value is less, or so we need right pointer value needs to stay less than less than the length. Can you find the length of a string? Can you find the length of a string? I say yes, but so the problem is, oh, I guess no, we don't need a for loop. We do not need a for loop. Okay, so while right pointer value is less than length of a string, move okay, we also want to, okay, so we only need to return a int. Length. Okay, so well, right pointer value is less than length of a string, move the, I ask next time, can you Love, you're amazing for teaching me. Wait, what? I feel like I should remember this. I know you do mention it a lot, but yeah, you did teach me. Okay. Hey, Love taught me how to use, or reminds me and taught me how to use a lookup table instead of doing for loops. Is that good? Is that good? I'm kind of waiting for Turing to make an appearance because there's a surprise, guys. There's a surprise. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. But taking it to the editor helps too. Yeah. But how do I type something out that I'm still like in my mind completely confused as to how I would want it to work? But yes, we are at the pseudo code now. Okay. So move pointer to right, or by adding 1. Because we need to make sure using a list or a set. Yeah. Okay. I know what I want to do. Okay. So move pointer, check. Oh my gosh. So we would actually want to do that first? No. We'll figure that out. Get the bare bones first. Okay. Check if new care is in dictionary. Thanks so much for the follow, Mithazor. I appreciate it. I'm sorry if I butchered your name, but thank you. Okay, so check if new care is dictionary. If not, add to dictionary. That's still gonna... I wonder. Hi, Danny. Hi, Lidrinth? I'm sorry. I'm butchering everyone's name. Aw, thanks, Mark. How are you? Okay, guys. Okay. Hey, if you haven't gone to the Balloon Museum, go. So much fun. So much fun. Even with a toddler who didn't want to take part in half of it. Idrinth. Yeah, no, definitely. It leaves next month. I think you have less than a month left to go. So highly recommend. Maybe after Outside Lands is done. Yeah, it leaves, I think, September. Can't remember if it was September 7th or let's see. September 28th. Yeah. So it leaves September 28th. So I guess you have like a month and a half. Oh wait. Double check. Yeah, double check. But it looks like you can still buy tickets for the 20th. Yeah. So double check. Hi, Misty. How are you? Okay, okay, okay. But yeah. Definitely highly check it out. For those who are in northern part of California, highly recommend checking it out. I would say it's worth like actually I guess it depends. If you have a toddler, maybe not, but for me, I'm an art lover. So, and for interactive art, even better. So I highly think that even like an hour commute to go see it, hour and a half commute, like if you are all the way in East Bay or down like, or like, yeah, so worth it. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Uggs Sweaties. Okay, well, 12-hour commute, no. But would it be 12 hours if you flew? But they also have an exhibit in Singapore and Paris and I want to say Austin right now, but for sure they have it in Paris and Singapore. Paris isn't that far. Just saying. Okay, if not, add to dictionary. If else, love. Thanks so much for gifting a sub to Misty. Oh, I appreciate you so much. You're amazing. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Idrith. Okay, so I think we're getting somewhere. If not else, keep moving. Or actually, we just need to add. Sorry, add to dictionary. Okay, so then we, if value of care I don't know how to write this. If number of times the pointer value shows, if value in dictionary of care is more than 1, move left pointer I think we actually have to remove or subtract 1 from left pointer value. Okay, move left pointer to left until, okay, no, that's while. Okay. That's a report. Gotta learn more Python after all. I like the teacup. Yeah, I like the teacup. Okay, guys, might actually switch back to portrait mode for YouTube because I think discoverability is way better. Portrait mode. Okay, so so Max. Okay, so how is this working? Okay, so we have A, B, C. Yeah, so I think I'm going to switch back to portrait mode. But so the thing is, people just scroll. However, last 2 streams, I don't know what happened, but a lot of people were actually, they stayed for like 5 minutes. And I got a whole bunch of new subs from those lives, which was kind of crazy to me. So I think we're gonna switch back to that and then just see how it goes. On YouTube or for Twitch? Josh, are you asking me or are you asking Time? Because I'm questioning whether or not I'm coding right now. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. I wonder if I could stream on... Oh, my computer would totally crash though. If I like streamed via live in portrait and landscape on YouTube. But yeah, my stream would definitely crash. Or not stream, my computer would definitely crash. I mean, if you think about like TikTok, right? TikTok is all portrait and those people get a lot of live views. Time, that's okay. Enjoy your time with Pocket Watch, you know? As I'm not going to even like lie about this, I have been kind of an emotional mess this past week because I've been looking through Baby Bunny's pictures, like memories and things like that, and also she's outgrown a whole bunch of her clothes, and I'm sobbing. Like, it feels like time went way too fast. So enjoy this time, you know, like it's tough when you're in the thick of it. It's really tough when you're in the thick of it. But it's also... I wouldn't trade that time for... that I got with Baby Bunny for anything, you know? Like, she's not going to want to be around me all the time for much longer. So, yeah. Just if you want and you are and that's like what you want to do, take that time to just focus on you and pocket watch, you know. But if you want to code and that's something you feel like you need to do, then yeah, by all means code. However, if you're feeling conflicted because you feel like you need to code, not want to code, then I would say take some time to to just enjoy it. Yeah, I know. I kept saying time and I was like, this is very interesting since I'm talking to time. Okay, guys. Okay. Holy moly, restream is that guilt. Honestly, I feel it too. So I can't really say anything to make you feel better because I don't know how to make myself feel better about that either. Like, I still cry about it probably once a week. But yeah, it's hard because I think it's a lot because for both of us, we started our programming journey before having baby, so then it feels kind of like we were trying to start something new. Okay, so maybe, sorry, I'm not trying to put words in your mouth or feelings or emotions, but for me, I think a lot of my guilt comes from I had started to learn programming and then I had baby. And then it feels like I've kind of stalled on what my goals were. So then, like, it feels like for me, I feel guilty that I'm not still, like, okay, recently has been so much better with my motivation and things like that. But again, baby is older. But I think during the thick of the first year, the yeah, it's tough because instinctively I want to just be there for baby. But then I also have this guilt as, again, I don't know how you feel, but for me, I have this guilt that I started to do something, I put it on pause to, again, raise a baby, which is by no means an easy task, but I think about a lot, like, what kind of role model am I putting forth for my kid? Like, and then there's this guilt of this was something that I really wanted to pursue, and why was I not motivated for it? But then, like, now I don't know. It also feels like for me, I have that guilt of wanting to have something of mine that is not just me and baby. Like, coding is something of mine, and I want to do it without baby. And then I know my ramblings are not making any sense right now. I don't know. I'm a jumbled mess. I I'm not kidding. I have cried like at least 5 times this week. I've cried at least 5 times, and it's not because of like mom guilt or anything like that. It was just literally like, I don't know, something just seeing how much baby has grown like triggered me, and I just started crying. See, that's the thing though, Josh. I don't right now. One, I don't know if I fit into my skates anymore. And then two, I haven't been skating since I went with Time and my other friend. Like, that was the last time. Okay, actually, no, I take that back. I went another time, like 3 months later after them, after meeting up with them, but that was just to teach my friend's kids. Yes. Hi, Turing. Also, hi, Crayon. Guys, do you guys see a new sword? Do you guys see a new sword? Oh, baby bunny is gonna skate too. We're gonna, so see, that's not even gonna be something of mine anymore. Okay, wait. I made you mod because I didn't think that you would abuse the power. Excuse me. Wait a second. Do I need to think this back? Hi, Rython. Okay, do I need to think this back? Also, thanks for the bits. I don't think Time ever did. Okay, Misty, if Turing bans you, then Turing gets stripped of if Turing bans any VIP, Turing gets stripped of the sword and doesn't get his diamond back. How does that sound? How does that sound? Does that sound fair, guys? If Turing bans any of the VIPs, Turing gets stripped of the sword and the heart, and the diamond. Aww, love. Thanks so much for gifting a sub to Rython. I appreciate it. Okay. Aww. I don't know how to take that turning. Okay, so max point. So I have to figure out when I'm going to keep track of the max length. So we have okay, so we have A, right? So max, we have A, max is, okay, actually, let's do this. A, EB, okay, so we have right is A. Okay. So right pointer. So we have max would be equals 1. Okay. Then right is B, max equals 2. So if we move right to be, we don't update max. We need to move the pointer, left pointer, so then left will be B, and that's still not valid. That's still not valid. And then left, so we move left to B. Okay, so that's 1. So then max would be 2. Okay. Okay, I think I got this. You only need not many points, right? How many points do you have, love? Out of curiosity. Okay, so let's do this. Wow, you're close. That was a little bit of sarcasm. I'm sorry. We'll talk. We'll talk. Okay. Yeah, we'll talk. But let me solve this first. Okay, guys. Okay, it's already been an hour. It's already 11. I really want to finish this before midnight. Okay, so it's all those firsts you keep redeeming. I mean, if you didn't keep redeeming first, if you didn't keep redeeming first, you would be way closer. You would be way closer. Okay, so to the left. Actually, so if 0, 1. Thanks for the follow, nose. That's a thousand points further away from being mod. That's 1,000 points less than, what do you call it, from being mod now. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, so check max versus current length. Okay, so hold on. So pointer zero, that string length is 1. But can we subtract 0 from... No. No. We would have to add 1 no matter what. 1 minus 0 plus 1. Yeah, I'm not even gonna mess with arithmetic. We're just gonna do current Move pointer by adding 1. Add current. Add 1 to current. Okay, subtract 1 from current. Okay. Oh, I didn't hit the focus. Okay, so we're going to write this out and see how this does with this this test case. Okay, gonna focus now. BRB. Okay, so we have left equals 0, left, right equals 0 first and foremost. This is the very first one. So right value equals A. Okay, oh wait, hold on. Okay, so first and foremost, let's get the variables. Okay, so max length or max string equals 0. Current string equals 0. Okay, so just so I know which values I have. So right now, right is 0. So I don't even think I need this, to be honest. This one, I don't think I need this, but we'll double check. So we're going to first start, before we even start looping, we're going to do right value equals A. So current string equals... Oh, and we also want a dictionary too, guys. Awesome. Okay, so current string equals 1. Enter. And then we're gonna add dictionary equals A1. Okay, so then max length string equals 1. Okay, so then we move on to the next one. Right equals 1. Right val equals A. And the value I'm not actually going to have to keep track of. So current string would equal 2. Move the pointer by adding 1. Dictionary equals A1, B1. And then max string equals 2. So let's say that... It's fine. So this at least is keeping me from switching it to... oh, wait. I can't check the index. Can I check the index? Hold on. Did my focus not go off? Why is my focus... Sorry, guys. Did I, like, stop? Oh, that's why. Because it's paused. Sorry. I will refocus. I will refocus. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay, so if... Can I... I need to change this to a list. I can't... Oh, I can? In this... I think I still do need to change it to a list. Yeah, I think I need to change it to a list still. Unfortunately. Okay. Because I don't think... Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, so then... Why is that longer? Okay, right equals 2. Right val equals C. Current string equals 3. Dictionary equals A 1 B 1 C 1. Okay, max string equals 3. Okay, so now we should be on A again. So right equals 3. Right val equals A. Current string equals 4. So now we're going to do dictionary equals A 2 B 1 C 1. Okay, so because if the value in the dictionary, so while a value in the dictionary is greater than 1, we're going to move the left pointer. So now left equals 1. Okay. So left val equals B. We're going to also current string equals 3. Okay, so now we update the dictionary. Well, we updated it in there, but A 1 B 1 C. Oh my gosh. C1. Okay, so now because we've done that, we would compare our max string would still equal 3. Okay. I think we're decently close to this. Okay, so yeah, I think let's try this. But I have to figure out how to write the first part. Okay, so whoops, that didn't work. Oops. Okay, so we're going to delete that because for me, that's distracting. Okay, so we're going to have, oh wait. Okay, so we're going to s list equals s list s. Okay, we're going to also have left equals right equals 0. Okay, and then we're also going to do max string equals current string equals 0. Okay, so I don't think I need this. So I also want to, because for this one, I don't want to keep going through. So I think... So we're also going to do s set equals set s. Okay? There's a method for my madness. Okay, so if length of s set is at 0. Oh, thanks so much for the follow. Hex hits those. I appreciate it. Hi, Bobby. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to focus again. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Focusing. Okay, hold on. Just kidding. Pausing the focus. Okay, so the purpose between the set and the list is because if the set is 1, we know to just return 1 because there's literally only 1. And then also if the set is 2. So anything less than or equal to 2. Yeah, anything less or equal to 2 returns that length. We should do this. Because if we have a set of just one letter, let's say we have what? I don't know. That's a very large what do you call it? Amount. If my code goes through all of that, I bet you it'll time out. So if I can get rid of most of it, it will, like, automatically, I know if there's only 2 types, the longest string length is gonna be, the longest string length is going to be 2. Even if it's like this, B, 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 A. And then if it's 1, same thing. If it's 0, same thing. So those are just in the case that it is extremely large test case, but with one letter or two letters. Yeah, but I'm also going to use it where I know the max string can never be greater than the set. So instead of doing while the right pointer value is less than the length of the string, or going through the range and reaching all the way to the end, if max string equals the length of the set, we're gonna just return that, because again, hey Metal, it's pinned up top. Because again, for, let's say we have a set of 3. The longest string can only be 3. It can't be longer than that. Oh no, I'm not returning the set, but I'm using that so that as soon as I hit, let's say that the set has 10 unique characters, right? As soon as the max string hits 10, then we're just gonna return 10. If it never hits 10, then we go all the way to the end. Because the unique string can never be longer than however many unique characters are in that string. I swear it makes sense in my head. So like right here, right? Max string is 3. So right there, we would be able to stop immediately. Okay, so for this example, right? The set length. So set length equals 3, because we have 3 unique characters, right? A, B, C. Okay, so max length hit 3, we would just return 3. However, let's say I have the B, B, C. B, C. Yeah, so it would continue on because the max length will never hit the set length. So this is what I'm doing for the while max length is, or while max strength, wow, while max string is less than or equal to while max length is less than. Okay, so right here, right? I have A, B, B, C, B, C. Okay, so we're up to right here. So we're up to right here for this one, okay? And then we move down to here. Our max string will stay 2. It'll continue to stay 2 because we move on to C. It never has the characters again, so we don't break out of the loop early. But as soon as the max length, the max string length hits the set length, we can stop going through. Yeah, I haven't written it out yet, Josh. It's right here. Right here. This is for this one. This is for this one. This is for this one. Okay. So we're right. I'm gonna just copy this really quick so that I don't have to. Okay, so we are at right 2, right value is B, current string length is 3. Yeah, yeah. So that it doesn't have to keep going to the very end of the string. Because why would we continue on? Because we're not... Yeah, why would we continue on to the end of the string if we've already hit the maximum unique characters somewhere earlier? I swear it makes sense. Whether or not it works, of course, that's another story. But I swear it makes sense in my head. Okay, so we're going to delete. Ah, thanks so much for the follow, Just Potato. I appreciate it. Okay, so we're at 2 and we're at 1 right now. Okay, okay. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Owen Jenkins. I was like, I swear it makes sense. There's there's logic behind it. Okay, so if s set is less than or equal to 2, return, oh my gosh, return s set. Yeah. So that's why I had the that's why I had this number less than 2, because I knew for 3 it wouldn't work. Okay, so now we are going to say, I'm gonna delete this. So while max string is less than, yeah, because we don't want to equal to s set. Okay, we're going to, and then we also have to do first, we have to, oh, I need a dictionary. I need a dictionary. Dictionary, oh my gosh. Pair dictionary equals default dictionary. And then also Turing, just out of curiosity, is this, I know the only reason why I'm asking, and I'm not going to change it right now. Actually, can't promise that. But right now, I want to say I won't change it for the hash map, or like for the dictionary. Is that something that would be required here, or is there another way to do this without a dictionary? Logic in Python, yes. Okay, so we would go, we would do char dictionary. Only thing required. You can use an array. But wouldn't an array be like way slower? Char dictionary. What am I doing? Oh, yes. Right. It equals S. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. S list right. Plus equals 1. Okay, and then that should be 0. And then max string equals 1. I mean, I guess we technically just need to do this, right? Okay, so For indexed lookups. But you would still have to loop at some point, right? Okay, sounds good, Turing. I'm going to stick with my gut of using the dictionary. Okay. So we are going to write plus equals 1. I don't know why I did that. This equals 1. I see. Okay, well, I don't think I have the brain capacity to think about that right now. So we're gonna just keep it as is. Current string equals 1. Okay, so this should all be okay. Ah, dang it. Okay, be right back, guys. Be right back. Baby woke up. Okay, we're gonna see how long this lasts. She burst into tears as soon as I walked into the room, so we'll see how long this lasts, okay? And I have to be quiet now because... yeah, yeah. Okay. Current string. So... dictionary. Greater than 1. I'm kind of thinking we should be able to check this if it exists or not. If get actually no, it should be able to just do if. It shouldn't need a while loop because we should be removing it. Yeah, at every point it should never be more than 1. Okay, so current string equals minus equals 1 and left plus equals 1. Okay, and then max string equals max of max string comma current string. Turn max string. First argument must be callable or none. Oh my gosh. Ints. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Output 3. EWW. EW. I know the issue is right here. Print. Okay, so that's PKW. PKW. We need to remove the W. Why did it not remove the W? Okay, hold on. Why did it not remove the W? Oh, wait a second. What is this U? Hold on. Print list. Hold on. What's this W? Thanks so much for the follow, Prince Molly. Scared for school to start high key. Oh, you're gonna do awesome. I know it. I believe in it. Okay, wait. What does you mean? Okay. What does you mean? What? Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, so then let me see what... Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Yes. Okay. Hold on. Print. Hold on. Let me see something. Print. Okay, yeah. So what's going on here? What is this? Is it because I need to strip it? Okay, so Hold on. Huh? My string. Okay, wait, I don't understand what's going on. No, I've already done that. I've already done that. Prince, thank you. I'm just trying to figure out why. I'm just trying to figure out why my lists got split like that, because then... Oh, no, it does need to be while. It does need to be while. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so... Or... right is less than... length of S. Because I don't think... Hold on. Sorry, hold on, guys. Let me... Okay, so this is working as it should. To an extent. Okay, hold on, guys. Let me walk through this, because I know I'm close, but this is really bugging me. I believe it's because you can't do S right. You can't do index with a yeah, you can't do... Oh, wait. What am I doing? Okay. With a string, I don't think. You can? Wow, okay. Then never mind. Never mind. Forget that. Okay, so right is less than length of S minus 1. S list is not... Okay. S... Right. That's right. Thanks so much for the follow, Patrick Dev. I appreciate it. Oh, I think it was slicing or something like that. I just remember there was an issue when I was trying to do something with okay, list index is out of range. So I know right is causing an issue. Okay, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this should be 5. Why is this not? This should be 4 actually. Okay, let me hard code this just to see something. Yeah, so oh, that has to be and. And I know how to code, guys. Sometimes I wonder. Sometimes I wonder. Has to be and. There we go. Yes. When max string equals s set. Yeah, so that's why I needed to add this one. Yeah, I had or. Okay. Oops. Welcome in, very good. Okay, so let's see. Are there any additional test cases that I can use? Is this an entire test case? No, I think... Okay, I don't know what this... It's not a valid type of string. Okay, well that's an invalid test case. Thanks. But it says that it can use digits, symbols, and spaces. Okay, anyways. Is there a test case? Oh, maybe. Yes. Yes. I swear it's just because I'm tired. I swear it's just because I'm tired. Okay, I'm gonna trust myself that this works. Because I don't see any additional test cases. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, am I gonna just submit? Okay. Wow! I passed on my first try. Okay, yeah, it's not necessarily the fastest, but you know what? I'm very proud of myself. I'm very proud of myself. Honestly, I think if I wasn't streaming, I would probably have gotten this a lot faster. Aww, Turing, thanks so much for the bits again. I appreciate it. I'm quite proud. I'm quite proud of myself. Oh, you already started it. Okay. You already started it. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Let me see what you did. So, scene. Max. Okay, so you just used a set as opposed to a dictionary. I'm quite proud of myself, guys. Okay? I feel like just run resubmit. I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay. I feel like for me, this time it was actually really good because one, I thought of the edge cases early on, right? Or not edge cases, but like I thought of specific cases. So of 0, 1, and 2 could only have that as the longest string. Like it had to be either 0, 1, or 2, because no matter what, two characters have to be next to each other. And I also think I'm quite proud of the fact that I was also able to think about the fact that the max string will never be more than the set length, because it has to be unique. So since I'm finding that out anyways for up here, might as well use it so that we can exit out of the loop early if need be. Okay, anyways, guys, it's been 2 hours. It is late. I started streaming late, I know, but baby did not sleep would not go to sleep. And currently she is waking up on the 2-hour mark every single night. But I'm probably going to not stream. Okay, so I know awesome. Yeah, writing it out helped a lot. Trying it out. Then how would I find the max string? Okay, so thanks so much for the follow, Finley over, and Hoop Maker. Hey, that's what babies are. I don't know. We are not letting her have screen time right now. We're still just encouraging her to explore and play outside as much as we can. And she doesn't like doing art, surprisingly. Like with me, with her friends and stuff, she's really good at doing art, but like with me, she wants nothing to do with art. She wants to color on my page. But yeah. I don't know, for those of you who were not here early in the stream, I have a code assessment that I have to do this week. To hopefully get an interview. Hopefully. So I'm thinking I might not stream on Wednesday. I'm gonna study tomorrow and also maybe study Wednesday, or else just take it on Wednesday. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I rated him recently too. Okay, let me see. We're gonna just end my YouTube stream. Okay, I'm gonna keep talking to you guys, but we're gonna just do the bye screen really quick. We're gonna end YouTube, and then I will continue on streaming with. Wow, it is super lagged. Super lagged. Okay, hold on. You know what? Okay, there we go. Okay, hold on guys. And stream. And okay, I got 10 views on YouTube today. Yeah. Okay,